Hi, I'm Priya. I'm a parent of an autistic child. I actually tried to put him in a normal school with very little support from anyone. Most of the schools actually denied admission for my child because he was not actually school ready. So, with the help of the therapy center where we are going, we reached out to Big Kindness Tree and they understood our requirement, what actually my son needed. So, when my son joined in the school, he was not actually academically ready. He could not write, actually, he couldn't even hold a pencil. So when he joined here, with the support of the staff and the principal, he picked up quite fast. He now actually he can independently write, and he is also school ready, and we have put him in a normal school now. Also, there are many positives which happen when we join here. First thing is the environment is quite open and friendly to the child. He was not finding the place claustrophobic because of a lot of light here in this place and a lot of movement, and also the extracurricular activities which they had, like the dancing or the taekwondo or the yoga. All this my child enjoyed, and he used to see other kids enjoying, and he was also very happy here. So ultimately my child was happy here. That's what made a lot of changes and improvement with him, that we could actually put him to a normal school now. Also, here the kids, just looking at the other kids having food. Here they provide food also. So my kid was very picky eater, and he used to eat only dosa or chapati. But after coming here, he started eating fruits. Because they also provide, and also they see the other kids eating and all healthy foods, and they had a meal plan for the entire week. So looking at that, looking different food being introduced every day, so he started eating better. He started self feeding. He can eat by himself now. So these things are really very positive, which happened here. I'm very glad that we found such a nice place. I wish all the other parents also can give it a try and see that what specifically for the special needs kids, because for them an environment is required, exposure is required. So for those kids, these kind of environment where you have an inclusive program, but also you have a focused training for the kids according to their needs. It's not a therapy center here. They're not actually doing that, but something which child needs more in a academical or in a real life scenarios. So I think in that way my child did a very good year last year here, and I'm very happy with this place. So I really hope you guys whoever is watching this video see that you can come see whatever I have told. You can view them, you can see them, give it a try and then see how it will help your child.